friends, welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. In this one, I'm going to do the CPU throttling test comparison between the iQOO Z5 versus the Realme GT Master Edition. And this is another most requested question asking me to compare between the throttling issues. So which phone has got what type of throttling? That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video using the CPU throttling application. So and this is my first time doing the test in the iQOO Z5 as well, because even I'm not sure what will be the results in this phone. So let me try to clear everything from the background, so all the apps are completely clean from the background. As you can see, everything completely clean. Let me try to open the CPU throttling application in the Realme GT Master Edition. So there's no applications running in background in this phone as well. Completely clean, and is the CPU throttling application. And there is no GT mode enabled and there is no monster mode enabled. Nothing is enabled in both phones exactly as it is, as you can see. And right now I'll try to use the same settings in both phones. Let me try to select the same thread settings, 100 threads and 15 minutes. As you can see, exactly same kind of settings I'm trying to select between these both devices. So there's nothing much huge difference at this point. You can clearly see here. Now let's see which phone has got what type of, how much kind of throttling will be detected. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate, and I'll try to keep in the aeroplane mode. So same thing, aeroplane mode. Yep, nothing. So now we're going to see, friends, what will be the result. So this is going to be really very interesting to see. The temperature in the beginning, it's of 32.8, kind of 33 degrees. Both are kind of very close, not bad. Let's start the test 1, 2 and 3. So as I said, so this is going to be really very interesting test to see what happens next. And the performance scores we're slightly saying kind of very close to each other, but the thing is that which phone will remain consistent in terms of the graph. That's what I'm looking after. So not so many ups and downs. It should be kind of completely kind of straight, kind of close to straight. That's what I meant. So previously the Realme GT Master Edition has got really good throttling graph. Yes, previously I did take the screenshot. I'll try to show you. So this phone has got really good throttling, but let's see what happens now. So comparing with the iQOO Z5's Snapdragon enhanced performance phone, that's what I'm going to exactly see here. And again, I'll be back after some time, maybe close to 5 to 10 minutes of time. Then we can actually discuss what is happening with the temperatures. So right now, as you can see, friends, is a CPU throttling test comparison between both phones. So right now, let's check the temperatures. It's kind of close to 10 minutes of time, 39.4 degrees. And 40 degrees in the Realme GT Master Edition. It's not that huge, I would say it's kind of very close. 40 degrees in the Realme GT Master Edition and 39.4 degrees, not bad. So very close to each other in terms of the temperatures wise. So backside it's of 39.6, 38, 39.6, not bad. And Realme GT Master Edition, as I think it has got the really high performance. That's the reason why there is a lot of high temperatures detected, because you can see the graph, it did not decrease in terms of the throttling. It's kind of maintaining consistently non-stop, as you can see, friends. I think the Realme phones, they are really good with the Snapdragon processor. That's what I meant, because previously I did use the Realme X2 Pro, which used to perform really good. But right now you can see the Realme GT Master Edition with the Snapdragon 778G processor, it was able to maintain really good without any kind of throttling. Only thing with Realme with the Dimensity processors, maybe they might have throttling, but Realme with the Snapdragon, no. That's the reason why a lot of users are actually waiting for the Realme GT, I think Realme GT Neo 2 as well. Even the same thing with the Realme GT as well. So I do have the Realme GT with me, Snapdragon 888 processor. It used to not that throttle a lot. So I'm going to be back after 15 minutes of time, then we can actually discuss what is happening in depth with the graph. So right now, as you can see, friends, the CPU throttling test has been successfully completed between both phones, and we got the results here. And 85% of the throttling has been happened in the iQOO Z5 at this moment. You can clearly see in the iQOO Z5, and is a Realme GT Master Edition. As you can clearly see, there is no throttling detected. So the highest score is found in the iQOO Z5 333, but the average is highest in the Realme GT Master Edition 326, and the minimum is only reached up to 303. Not bad, as you can see in the Realme GT Master Edition overall. So this is a quick comparison, friends, between both phones in terms of the CPU throttling test results. And definitely I'll try to do another video where I'll try to use a monster mode, and then I'll try to use a GT mode. So using GT mode and the monster mode, can it affect any kind of CPU throttling results or not? That's what I'm going to do in the next upcoming videos. So stay tuned for more updates, friends, and let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on this one. And thank you for watching this video. And temperatures are slightly kind of very close to each other, nothing much huge difference. So because 39.6, 39.7 and 40 degrees, that's not a huge difference, I would say. Anyway, so that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. And then stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.